Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is my potatoes, and that is my steak. If y'all see my steak and my potatoes, and this is my good old tossed salad, as y'all can see. And this is my Pepsi right here. This is my Pepsi. As y'all can see, this is my Pepsi. It's say my cup saying, move this other cup. My cup is saying, "Oh, happy day." And this is my can of Pepsi, what I'm drinking out of. I took the Pepsi out of here and poured it into my glass. And I washed my hands before I cook. And this is what I cook. This is what y'all see the tossed salad. And y'all see the steak. And y'all see them onions on that steak. And y'all see them potatoes. Got salt and pepper on it. Y'all see that good old tossed salad. If y'all like this out there, YouTube land, give us a thumb up. And have a blessed day.